Hi, welcome to Johnny Works. Today I'm going to do a video on FiberFix. It's a ridiculously strong repair tape. It's 1 inch by 40 inches long, and the box says, now you can fix anything. Hardens like steel, 100 times stronger than duct tape. Okay, and then it shows a bunch of different applications. It shows a boat, medical, mailbox, pipe, shovel, I don't know, something that looks like a vacuum cleaner, a wheelbarrow, chair, fence, rowing oar, an umbrella, a tennis racket. Crazy. So that's on one side. The other side of the box shows, easy to use, shows a broken shovel, and you wet it thoroughly, wrap it tightly, and FiberFix is what it says. Done. All right, so this is the picture on the back, shows all these tools you can fix with this bad boy. So, since it's been burning a hole in my shelf for about, I don't even know, 2 or 3 years, and I bought it one day on a whim, impulse buy, when I was buying probably some painter's tape or something, because that's where I found it. I'm gonna try that, so I grabbed it, okay? All right, so let's open this bad boy up. Got a package, another package, some directions, piece of sandpaper, I don't know what that's for. Okay. Alright, here we go, baby. Step 1, put on gloves included with FiberFix. Okay. I know what you're thinking. I know what some of you are thinking if you're my age. Yes, that is Snake Plissken. My Escape from New York shirt that I got in Manhattan a couple of years ago. It's a great movie, Snake Plissken. It's the man. The only thing better than Snake Plissken is Jack Burton. Big Trouble in Little China. Alright, so fully submerge FiberFix roll in lukewarm water for 10 to 12 seconds. This is it. Alright, let's do it. Tear this bad boy open. Take out my FiberFix roll. I got a bucket of water here because I actually pre-read this earlier. 10 to 12 seconds. And then step 3 is to remove excess water by squeezing roll of FiberFlex. It's about 10-12 seconds. Alright, so I'm squeezing this bad boy. Alright, wrap first layer loosely directly over break. Then begin wrapping tightly around the broken item. Alright, so I'm going to start wrapping this bad boy. Where's my break? It's right there-ish. Alright, so directly over break. Kind of loosely, it says. And then it says, continue to wrap 4 inches on either side of the break. Wrap 5 or 6 layers directly over the break. I don't know how long this tape is, but, oh yeah, 40 inches. All right, now I'm going back the other way, because I gotta get past it 4 or 5 inches. I don't think this tape's long enough to do that. And it's not. So there goes that 4 or 5 inch thing out the window. Alright, then step 5. Continue to wrap 4 or 5 inches on either side of the break. Wrap 5 or 6 layers. Alright, I read that one. Step 6. Rub along the application of FiberFix to evenly distribute resin. So they want me to rub it. Smack it up, flip it. Rubbing it down. Whatever that means. Alright, step 7. To maximize performance, use vinyl strip provided directly over the FiberFix. Wait 5 minutes, then remove. 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm rubbing this thing out. Rubbing it out. Now, vinyl. Alright, so they're telling me to wrap this thing around that bad boy to hold it still. to hold it in place. So here I go. And it said 5 minutes. So I guess once I wrap it, I wait 5 minutes. Okay. Alright, so I don't know if that's supposed to hold itself or what. And then they got sandpaper, which I don't know what that's for. It's not sticky. Alright. And then it says, attention, for leaks, 8 to 10 wraps directly over the break is recommended. Use vinyl strip to maximize the performance. I would definitely not put this on a pipe that had water running through it, even though it says you can put it on a pipe. But I'm gonna go out on a limb and say I don't recommend that. Okay, but I am willing to give this stuff a try. I hope it works actually, because FiberFix looks like a small company. Hopefully these guys made a good product. Hopefully. All right, so it says allow 15 minutes for FiberFix to fully cure. And then it says, if using in temperatures below 70 degrees, which I think it's below 70 in my room right here, allow more time to cure. So prior to use, store in cool conditions. So it's pretty cool down here. So basically I'm gonna wait 15 minutes. Actually, like 2 more minutes, and I'm gonna take that vinyl off. And then I'm gonna wait an additional 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna check this thing and see how strong it is. Because that's the total, 15 minutes. Okay? All right, so it's been 15 minutes. Here's my hoe. There's the wrap. Okay? Not bad. I wouldn't trust it on a baseball bat. I don't know about plumbing, but on my hoe, I think it worked pretty good. Not too bad. It holds up. Good for me. If it doesn't hold up, you'll know, because I will put that on a video that it didn't hold up. But I think it's pretty good. For what I would need this hoe for, I would say it's pretty good. On a shovel? I don't know. Just so happens, I have an old hoe. Okay, this old hoe. My old hoe is cracked. So I'm gonna fix my old hoe, and I'm gonna fix it with my fiber tape. Okay, let's see if this stuff really works. If not, I'm gonna have to go get a new hoe, maybe a little younger hoe. I don't know, you know.